Transform your health with eNutrition's comprehensive food nutrition course. Enroll now. Are you ready to transform your health through the power of nutrition? At eNutrition, we believe that the foundation of a healthy life starts with understanding the basics of food nutrition. And the best part? You don't need to be a scientist to master this. Just a little curiosity and a desire to live your best life. Our comprehensive online class is designed to tell you everything you need to know about food nutrition. Whether you're a beginner looking to improve your eating habits or a health enthusiast seeking deeper knowledge, eNutrition's online class is your gateway to mastering the essentials of nutrition. Hi, this is eNutrition Online Class. Together, we will explore the nutrition behind what you eat and how it impacts your body. From understanding macronutrients and micronutrients to discovering the role of vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients, you will gain the skills and confidence to make informed dietary choices every day. In our class, you will learn all the basic food nutrition to help you create balanced meals that fuel your body, boost your energy, and support your overall well-being. We break down complex nutrition concepts into easy-to-understand lessons, making it simple for you to apply what you learn to your daily life. Ready to take control of your nutrition and health? Enroll in the eNutrition online class today and start your journey towards better nutrition and a healthier, happier life. This is more than just a class. It is your blueprint for lasting well-being. Visit eNutrition.online to enroll in the class now and unlock the full potential of your health with the power of food nutrition. Whether you are looking to improve your energy, manage your weight, or simply understand what you are eating, our class is designed and written for you to make it happen. Follow us on social media for daily tips, recipes, and inspiration to keep you on track. At eNutrition, we're here to help you live your healthiest life, one meal at a time.